Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and futurists, prepare yourselves. What you're about to witness isn't just a car, it's a statement, it's a promise. It's the 2026 Tesla Roadster, and it's here to rewrite the rulebook on what a production vehicle is capable of. Forget everything you thought you knew about performance, design, and the very limits of automotive engineering. Because today, we're diving deep into the machine that aims to shatter every record and redefine the hypercar landscape. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the rocket on wheels. The original Tesla Roadster was a groundbreaking machine that proved electric cars could be genuinely exciting. It was a proof of concept, a bold declaration of intent. But this, the 2026 Tesla Roadster, is a full-blown revolution. Announced with audacious performance figures that seemed almost mythical. Years have passed, anticipation has built, and now, with these stunning visuals, we can start to truly appreciate the culmination of Tesla's ambition. First impressions are everything, and the 2026 Roadster delivers a knockout blow. This isn't just a car, it's a kinetic sculpture. Look at the front end. It's incredibly sleek, low-slung and aggressive, yet remarkably clean. The minimalist design language that Tesla is known for has been pushed to its absolute apex here. The headlights are thin, piercing LED strips that seem to disappear into the bodywork, creating an almost seamless, futuristic face. There's no traditional grille to speak of, just a subtle intake low down, hinting at the aerodynamic wizardry at play. The lines flow effortlessly from the front over the wheel arches, creating a muscular yet elegant fender flare. The windshield rakes back sharply, almost seamlessly merging with the panoramic glass roof. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's a masterclass in aerodynamics. Every curve, every crease, every surface has been meticulously sculpted to cheat the wind, to reduce drag, and to channel air precisely where it needs to go, whether for cooling the battery and motors or generating downforce at ludicrous speeds. Moving to the side profile, the Roadster reveals its true Grand Tourer aspirations. It's long, wide, and incredibly low. The doors feature flush handles, maintaining the clean lines and further reducing aerodynamic disturbance. The wheels themselves are works of art, multi-spoke, dark finished alloys with prominent brake calipers visible behind them. These aren't just pretty faces, they're likely lightweight forged wheels designed for extreme performance and to dissipate heat from the massive braking system necessary to rein in this kind of power. And then, the rear. It's arguably the most distinctive view. The taillights are slender, horizontal LED strips that mirror the front, creating a cohesive design signature. The Tesla badging is prominently displayed, confirming its lineage. The integrated spoiler lip and the massive diffuser element underneath are not just for show. They are critical components for managing airflow and generating crucial downforce at the speeds this car is projected to achieve. The design screams speed, efficiency, and futuristic luxury, all in one cohesive package. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the numbers. When Tesla first unveiled the Roadster, the performance claims were almost unbelievable. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, a quarter mile in 8.8 seconds, a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. These aren't just impressive, they're groundbreaking. If achieved in a production vehicle, these figures would place the Roadster not just among the fastest cars ever made, but potentially at the very top of the hierarchy, challenging bespoke hypercars that cost millions more. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our in-depth look at the stunning 2026 Tesla Roadster. A car that promises to be a game changer in every sense of the word. We've covered its breathtaking design, its earth-shattering performance potential, its futuristic interior, and its massive impact on the automotive landscape. What do you think of the 2026 Tesla Roadster? Are you excited about its potential, or do you have reservations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you and engaging in these discussions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Where we continue to explore the incredible innovations shaping the future of driving.